This video is to show you how to print the invoices on a month-to-month basis from your Optimax reports. So first you need to go into reports, click on reports. Then under transactions, you're going to go down to monthly uh, uh, transaction report, and you are going to click on preview the report before sending to the printer, and then click on print selected report. Thereafter, only click on invoices, not all transactions types listed below. Click on print, and you can see the period is from the 5th of November to present, which is this current month. And these are your invoices. You will now click on print, and you can print these invoices. Okay. All right. So now you can click on reports again. Go back to monthly transaction reports. Click on that. Again, click on preview, print selected report. Again, click on invoices. And now you want to choose a previous month. So if you want to choose the previous month, click on the drop down box and choose the previous month, which is 4th of October to the 5th of November. And then click on print. And the same kind of screen will open up, and you can print last month's reports, and then you can go back as far as you can with all the other ones as well. From here, you can go onto print. All right, and then once this is printed, you can close it. And if you're going to do this again, you keep this on again, say print selected report, and you can choose the next previous month. And that's how that goes. So whichever months that you want to print, you can go ahead and do it like this in this manner. Thanks.